Hey everybody, today we are doing an unboxing of a few items that I got from Amazon, and I thought everybody would think it'd be a little interesting. So here we go. I got the old trusty knife. Alright, we got a box and a box. Got a box and a bag. And my two phone cases. So these are two phone cases I got for the Samsung A71. And these cases are really nice. They're nice and thick. Pretty much from, that's the where the screen is roughly in the phone. So it's got that much extra protection keeping it away from the screen. Same with the camera. So these are very nice pieces. So figured I'd get a couple more. And here I got, this is my inspection camera. It's an endoscope slash borescope. They have a whole bunch of different ways that they advertise it on Amazon. That one looks like it was opened at one time. And honestly, I forget what some of this stuff is. Because I ordered it, it took a while, and then I let it sit for a week after receiving it. Okay, this is my ink for my Canon printer. I got tired of paying for new ink cartridges, and I figured it'd be a lot easier to refill it myself. There's the needles for it, for each of the syringes. A little drill bit so you can drill into your case. And these green things are for a priming station. Oh, I even gave you some gloves to do it too. This is my black. I got a yellow, magenta for the red. The cayenne for the blue, and another black one. I will be doing videos on refilling the ink, and I will be doing another video on the endoscope. And I might do one on the phone case, I'm not too sure, but they're very nice cases, they're nice and sturdy. Well, I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe, comment down below. And I guess I will be seeing you all in the next one.